CompTIA ITF Plus Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 3.2 Compare and contrast components of an operating system. NTFS. NTFS stands for New Technology File System, and is a proprietary file system developed by Microsoft and is the default file system used in modern Windows operating systems, including Windows 10, Windows 11, and Windows Server. Now that we have a definition for NTFS, let's quickly see which file system features it supports. Our first feature is file compression, and NTFS does support file compression through its built-in feature called NTFS compression. When enabled, this feature allows files and folders on an NTFS formatted drive to be automatically compressed to occupy less disk space, reducing storage usage without compromising data accessibility. Next we have file encryption, and again NTFS does support file encryption through the encrypting file system, or EFS feature. EFS allows users to encrypt individual files or folders on an NTFS formatted drive, providing robust security by ensuring that only authorized users with the correct encryption keys can access and decrypt the encrypted data. NTFS also supports file permissions, allowing users to control access to files and folders on an NTFS formatted drive. Through NTFS permissions, administrators can assign different levels of access rights to users and groups, such as read, write, execute, and modify, to ensure data security and restrict unauthorized access to sensitive information. And continuing with yet another checkmark, NTFS also supports journaling, which is a feature that enhances data integrity and recovery after system failures or unexpected shutdowns. The NTFS journal keeps a record of changes before they are committed to the file system, helping to prevent data corruption. While NTFS is a powerful file system, it still has some limits. It can only handle hard drive partitions up to 16 exabytes in size and limits file sizes at 16 exabytes as well. While these limits are quite large and usually not a problem for regular computer use, they're important to know for specific cases where extremely large data storage is involved. And finally, NTFS follows specific naming rules for files and folders. It restricts the use of certain characters like the double quotation mark, asterisk, /, colon, less than and greater than angle brackets, question mark, backslash, and vertical bar or pipe. Additionally, the maximum length for a file name is 255 characters. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.